What if AI could save you 10 hours every week? In this video, I will show you 5 powerful free AI tools that can automate your work, boost productivity, and make your life easier. Let's get started. Tool number 1 is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI assistants available today. It can help you write emails, generate content, learn coding, solve problems, and even create business ideas in seconds. Millions of people use ChatGPT every day to work faster and smarter. Tool number 2 is Canva AI. With Canva AI, you can create presentations, thumbnails, logos, social media posts, and even videos using artificial intelligence. It's perfect for creators, students, and businesses who want professional designs without design skills. Tool number 3 is Perplexity AI. Perplexity works like a smart search engine that gives you summarized answers instantly, along with reliable sources. It's extremely useful for research, learning new topics, and finding information quickly. Tool number 4 is Notion AI. Notion AI helps you organize tasks, write notes, summarize documents, and manage projects using artificial intelligence. It works like a smart productivity assistant that helps you stay organized and efficient. Tool number 5 is Runway ML. Runway ML allows you to create and edit videos using artificial intelligence. You can remove backgrounds, generate visuals, and create amazing video effects with just a few clicks. If you want to discover more powerful AI tools like these, subscribe to AI Tools Lab. I will be sharing the best AI tools every week to help you work smarter and faster.